guys, welcome to today's vlog. Hope you guys are doing fabulous. Okay, so today I'm going to share with you my amazing bag collection, and I'm also going to tell you where and how you can use all type of bags and how many types of bags there are, and according to your height, which bag will look nice on you and which bag you can carry to what occasion. So come on, this is very exciting. So come on, let's begin. Okay, so this is one of my favorite duffel bags. Yes, it's a polka dot and it's my favorite. It's a black and white, and I will open it for you. And yes, of course it's stuffed from inside because that's how I keep my bags. You have to keep them properly, otherwise over time they do get spoiled. So yes, there are two zippers in here, this side and one this side. And yes, I love bigger bags because you can stuff in too many things with them. And yes, this color combination goes with absolutely everything. So yes, this is one of my hot favorites. Another one of my favorite tote bags is this one from Prada. Yes, it's an amazing gray color and it goes with absolutely everything. Looks amazing with office wear and also for your regular day wear. The amazing thing is that it's got this inner small wallet size bag, so I can put in all my cash or phone or some important things, because since it does not have a zipper otherwise, so things can fall out of it. So yes, this is just perfect. It's just the perfect size, and it's one of my most favorites. Guys, this is another of my favorite casual bags. This is again made of cloth, and again it was gifted to me by one of the designers. It's really cool. It's something that you can wear with your casual wear. Again, I feel it looks really nice with a nice peasant top and a nice skirt, and it's amazing for summers, and you can just wear it in the day because it looks amazing for day wear. So guys, the only shimmery one in my collection is this one. It's a Jimmy Choo, and yes, it can be carried with the Indian wear and maybe for your parties, and it looks super duper glam. So yes, of course it's nice to have one or two blingy stuff in your wardrobe just for a change, because you like it when you're wearing traditional Indian wear, so a little bling looks really nice. Yes, this is my favorite sling bag. It's from Hops, and you can carry it like this, and you can just take it on your side, and also you can take it as a sling on a side. So yes, it's my favorite. It's teeny weeny, it's little bit, it's still got a tag on because I still haven't used it, and it's from Hops, and you just open it, and it's just enough to put in your lipper for your little wallet and your little teeny weeny makeup, and you're set for that. Okay, so next I'm going to go into backpacks. Yes, backpacks are my favorite, and I feel it's best to carry them when you're traveling because you don't have the hassle to just put them on your shoulder or put it on your hands, because you obviously get tired when you're traveling. So the backpacks come in handy because you can put in a lot of stuff in there, and you can just put them on both your shoulders and you're sorted. So this one from Gucci is my favorite, and it's one of my oldest bags. So yeah, here I can just put them on my back and I'm sorted. It has enough space, so here I go. Here you open it. And yes, it's got 3 zippers, so enough space to put in all your essential stuff. So backpacks are a must in your wardrobe. So another type of bag which is really in nowadays is the messenger bag. Yes, the messenger bag looks something like this, which is one of my favorite bag from Burberry. Yes, a messenger bag is one in which you open the flap like this. So yes, it's got these 2 flaps, one on the front and one on the back. and yes, I can take it as a side sling like this. Ta-da! So yes, these bags come in really handy because again it's out of the way. You don't have to carry it on your shoulder or on your arms, so you know, the weight is kind of eased off. So yes, this bag from Burberry is also one of my most favorite possessions. One of my favorite backpacks is my Louis Vuitton backpack. It's yes, again, one of my oldest bags, and here you go. It's huge. You can stuff in lots and lots of things. It's high maintenance, yes. You always have to stuff in something and keep it. That's how I've been keeping it for all these years, and it's still so new. So here you go, you open it, and again there's enough space to put in lots and lots of things when you're traveling. Another one of my favorite messenger bags is one of this. That's a Louis Vuitton. Yes, again I love all these beiges and brown colors and tan and off-whites because I feel they go with absolutely everything. So this messenger bag, which opens like this, comes in really handy. There's a lot of space in there. There are 3 big pockets in which you can stuff in absolutely everything. So yeah, again, like I was telling you, like brown, tan and everything is something that goes with any color of your clothes, and you know, looks good in summers, winters. So, and that's my choice because I like carrying bags which are little subtle colored and not too loud. It's of course a personal choice, so that would reflect from, you know, all the bags that you've seen of mine, that all of them are little subtle toned. So yes, and another thing that I want to share with you guys is that if you are a little short-heighted, then yes, you should opt for bags which are a little smaller, because if you're a little short and you carry these really big bags, so you know, you end up looking a little more shorter because obviously you know, the bag kind of stands out. And if you're say medium heighted or say tall enough, then you can try in absolutely every shape and size because it's going to flatter you. Of course, avoid taking very small bags because you of course don't want to end up looking really like towering over everybody. So I hope you enjoyed the video, guys, and yes, that's my bag collection that you know, of course I love sharing with you all. So do share your feedback, do also share what kind of bags you like to carry, and see you all very soon with something very exciting. Thank you.